Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Then you can tap on vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. To disable this option, click on silent or sound. Then scroll all the way down, click on phone ringtone, and access vibration section for theme 1 and theme 2. Now apply the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls by picking one of those, or disable it completely by tapping on None. Tap on the back button twice, click on Notification Tone, and do exactly the same with your vibrations for your notifications. This time I will go with tap 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 vibration pattern. Go back, hit more settings at the bottom, and last but not least, click on those two switches next to those two features. Vibrate when ringing to manage incoming calls vibrations, and system haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!